Hello students of 10th standard Maths First Quadratic Equation Practice Set 2.1. Question number 1. Write any two quadratic equations. We know general form of quadratic equation is general form a x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Then we form any quadratic equations by putting values of a, b and c and taking variables from English alphabets A to Z. Then first is 2m square plus 5m minus 4 equal to 0. Here in the place of 2 you take any number, in place of m you take any variable from A to Z. Here taking sign plus or minus, here any number in place of m, that is here m, therefore here also m. Here taking plus or minus sign, here take any number, then we form so many quadratic equations. Second equation is 3y square minus 7y plus 10 equal to 0. Like this you form another examples. Then question number 2. Decide which of following are quadratic equations. There are 6 questions. First we see x square plus 5x minus 2 equal to 0. In this equation variable is x. Degree of equation means highest index of that equation, highest, that is 2. Therefore degree of equation is 2. If degree of equation is 2, variable is only 1, then it is a quadratic equation. Then in next equation, y square minus 5y minus 10 equal to 0. Variable is y. Degree of equation means highest index, that is 2, and therefore it is a quadratic equation. Then third one is y square plus 1 upon y equal to 2. This is not in normal form, therefore we multiply y to each term, that is y square into y plus 1 upon y into y equal to 2 into y. Because of we cancel in y in denominator of second term. Therefore this is equal to y cube plus here y cancel, therefore 1 equal to 2y, and therefore y cube minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Here variable is y. Degree is 3, therefore it is not quadratic equation. In fourth equation, x plus 1 upon x equal to minus 2. Here we cancel x in denominator in second term, therefore we multiply x to each term, that is x into x plus 1 upon x into x equal to minus 2 into x. This x is cancelled, therefore x square plus 1 equal to minus 2x, and therefore x square, this minus 2 in this side, that is plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Here variable is only 1. Variable is x. Degree is 2, and therefore it is a quadratic equation. Then question number 2, fifth question, fifth example, m plus 2 into m minus 5 equal to 0. We first solve this equation, that is m into m minus 5 plus 2 into m minus 5 equal to 0. Then m into m, that is m square minus 5m plus 2 into m, that is 2m minus 10 equal to 0. Therefore m square minus 3m minus 10 equal to 0. 3m because minus 5m plus 2, that is minus 3. Here variable is only one, that is m, degree, that is highest index, degree is 2, and therefore this equation is quadratic equation. Then next one, here m cube, taking all terms in one side, 3m square minus 2 minus 3m cube equal to 0. Therefore cube term we taking in one place, that is plus 1 minus 3, that is minus 2m cube plus 3m square minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore here variable is m, degree, that is degree is 3, and therefore it is not quadratic equation. Then question number 3, write following equations in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then write values of a, b, c for each equation. First equation is 2y equal to 10 minus y square. Therefore we write in general form 2y minus 10 minus plus y square equal to 0. First we take these terms in right side to the left side. Therefore y square plus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. Then a is the coefficient of square term, that is a equal to 1. b is the square coefficient of middle term, that is 2, and c is the constant term, that is minus 10. Then second question, x minus 1 bracket square equal to 2x plus 3. First we solve x minus 1 bracket square, that is x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 2x plus 3. Taking these right side terms to the left side, that is x square minus 2x plus 1 minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. When we change the side, sign also changes. Therefore x square minus 2x, here also minus 2x, that is minus 4x, plus 1 minus 3, that is minus 2 equal to 0. 1a is the coefficient of square term, that is 1. b is the coefficient of middle term, that is minus 4, and c is the constant term, that is minus 2. Then third equation, x square plus 5x equal to minus bracket 3 minus x. Therefore x square plus 5x equal to minus 3 plus x, because this minus minus into minus, that is plus. Taking right side term to the left side, therefore x square plus 5x minus x plus 3 equal to 0. X square plus 5 minus 1, that is plus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Here a is the coefficient of square term, that is 1. B is the coefficient of middle term, that is 4. C is the constant term, that is 3. Then question number 3, example number 4. 3m square equal to 2m square minus 9. Therefore, taking right side term to the left side, that is 3m square minus 2m square plus 9 equal to 0. Therefore, 3m square minus 2, that is m square plus 9 equal to 0. Then we write middle term which is missing, that is m square plus 0m plus 9 equal to 0. Here a is coefficient of first term, that is 1, b is the coefficient of middle term, that is 0, and c is the constant term, that is 9. In fifth example, 3 multiply p to this bracket, that is 3p plus p into 6p, that is 6p square equal to minus 5. Therefore, 3p plus 6p square plus 5 equal to 0 by taking minus 5 to left side, and therefore 6p square plus 3p plus 5 equal to 0. Therefore, a equal to 6, b equal to 3, and c equal to 5. In sixth example, x square minus 9 minus 30 equal to 0 because of 13 taking to left side. Therefore, x square minus 9 minus 13, that is minus 22 equal to 0. Taking middle term, x square plus 0x minus 22 equal to 0, and therefore a equal to 1, b equal to 0, and c equal to minus 22. Then question number 4. Determine whether the values given against each of quadratic equation are the roots of equation. Means given values of equation x square plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0, x equal to 1 and minus 1. Putting x equal to minus 1 in that equation, therefore LHS means left hand side of equation, that is x square plus 4x minus 5. Here put x equal to 1 in this equation, that is 1 square plus 4 into 1 minus 5. 1 square 1 plus 4 into 1, that is 4, minus 5, that is equal to 5 minus 5 equal to 0, and therefore x equal to 1 is solution of that equation. Then next one is x equal to minus 1. Put it in LHS. LHS means left hand side, that is x square plus 4x minus 5 equal to minus 1 square plus 4 into minus 1 minus 5, that is equal to minus 1 square, that is 1, 4 into minus 1, that is minus 4, minus 5, that is equal to 1 minus 4, that is minus 3 minus 5, that is minus 8, and this is not equal to 0, and therefore x equal to minus 1 is not solution. Means value of variable is not satisfies the equation, then this value is not solution of that equation. Then next one is 2m square minus 5m equal to 0, where value of m's are m equal to 2 and 5 upon 2. Then first LHS, left hand side, that is 2m square minus 5m. Put value first, that is m equal to 2, then 2 into 2 square minus 5 into 2, that is equal to 2 into 4 minus 10, that is equal to 8 minus 10 equal to minus 2, and therefore m equal to 2 is not solution of equation 2m square minus 5. Then second value is m equal to 5 upon 2. Put in LHS of equation, that is 2m square minus 5m, that is equal to 2 into 5 upon 2 bracket square minus 5 into 5 upon 2, that is 2 into 5 square, that is 25 upon 4 minus 5 into 5, that is 25 upon 2, that is 25 into 2, that is 50 upon 4. Here we multiply 2 to the numerator and denominator, that is equal to 25 into 2, 50 upon 4, and that is equal to 0. Therefore m equal to 5 upon 2 is solution of equation 2m square minus 5m. Then next question is find k if x equal to 3 is the root of equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 equal to 0. If the solution of equation is given, then put the value of variable in that equation. Therefore put x equal to 3 in given equation. Therefore k into 3 square minus 10 into 3 plus 3 equal to 0. That is 9k minus 10 into 3, that is 30 plus 3 equal to 0. That is 9k minus 30 plus 3, that is minus 27 equal to 0. Therefore 9k equal to 27 from left side to right side, that is 20 plus 27. Therefore k equal to 27 upon 9, and therefore k equal to 3. Then next last question is one of the roots of equation 5m square plus 2m plus k equal to 0 is minus 7 upon 5. Complete activity. Here we complete the activity, that is dash dash is the root of equation that is given, that is minus 7 upon 5. Then 5m square plus 2m plus k equal to 0, put m equal to minus 7 upon 5 in that equation, that is 5 into minus 7 upon 5 square plus 2 into minus 7 upon 5 plus k equal to 0. Here 5 into 7 square, that is 49 upon 25 plus 2 into minus 7, that is minus 14 upon 5 plus k equal to 0. Here we divide 5 to 25, that is 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25, that is 49 upon 5 minus 14 upon 5, that is 14 minus 5, that is 5, 3 upon 5 plus k equal to 0, and therefore k equal to minus 35 upon 5, that is equal to minus 7, means value of k is minus 7.